had some trouble with the trailer popping off the hitch. So we've used some Alaskan ingenuity here. We got pretty pink zip ties and a piece of willow. I think that'll actually work. We're trying to cross this big river here, but you don't necessarily want to be the first one across, so we're looking for some snow machine tracks where someone safely crossed. Jake's all the way down the river here, and he's trying to look for a place to safely cross. You can see here, this is where overflow happens, where water pops up and flows over the top of the ice, and then it's frozen again. But there's a lot of weird spots on the ice because the river will freeze and then the water levels will drop, and there'll be these big air pockets in between the ice and the gravel bar or the water, and you can bust through into these little air pockets.